In this video I'm going to show you how to install and download the game Once Human on your PC for free. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, go to Google and search for Steam. Go to the website and search for Once Human. And as you can see, this game is completely free to download. If you would like to download this game, make sure you have installed the Steam application. After that, you can click on Play Game and this game will be downloaded into your game library. And once it is downloaded, you are able to play Once Human for free on your PC. Hopefully these tips were helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!